and make the CS2 solution, then what we have done is there sulfur are soluble into the CS2. Why? But iron will be not mixed here. Why? Because iron is the metal and metal make the ionic bond. Ionic bond not soluble into the organic solvent. Remember all this point must be remembered there. After that what happen? All the water will put out in there. CS2 will evaporate. Sulfur will come in here. Iron is here. We can separate it there. So we can separate it there. 3 points. You will write by the. That's why we can say water is a compound. Now air is a mixture. Why? By air is a mixture because air is all the places. Air is not fixed ratio. Now if you are going to the big town is there, then what we see there? Generally we write there 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gas. But now is there when we are going to any portrait city, then some of the portrait city you go, then what is there? Percentage of oxygen is the least. When you are going to the hill region, then what is the percentage of oxygen the more? So it is not fixed. It is found. This is it will be required to this one. But what we observe is there, when we are going to this portion of the air is not in the same places. The percentage will be increase or decrease. When we are going to the hill region, then oxygen percentage of oxygen the more. When we are going to the any of the portrait area, suppose that Calcutta you going there, then what we enjoy the oxygen air is present there, but oxygen is the less. Some other gas you will see carbon dioxide increase in the atmosphere make the air polluted. That's why it is not a fixed ratio. First point. After that what happens? All the air we can separate by the air by the physical process. If you want to separate all the gases, then we can separate by the physical process. How we will separate? All the gases from the air all have the different boiling point and melting point. So we can separate by the different melting point by the air we are taking it there from the atmosphere, we can separate it there. But water, if you want to separate it there, hydrogen, oxygen, not possible to separate it there. Third point, all the element has what say, when water is formed there, all the element lost its property, hydrogen, oxygen lost, but in air not lost, all the gases not lost its property. Why? Because in the air oxygen is there, oxygen shows its property, help to burn is there, nitrogen is present there, carbon dioxide, all the gases have the not a single property, all keep the other own property. But in the water, what happens? Hydrogen, oxygen is the hydrogen, oxygen make the water. But when make the water, hydrogen lost its property, oxygen lost its property. A new property has come. Why? How it is coming there? Hydrogen itself burn, oxygen have to burn. But what we are going there, when we are given the water into the fire, put out the fire. Two things is there, hydrogen itself, water should be burned, because it is made of the hydrogen itself burn, oxygen have to burn, but water put out the fire. So what happens when they make the compound is there, hydrogen, oxygen lost its property, a new property has come. That's why you can say air is a mixture. You can write now?
Yes.
Yeah? Now that I discussed it there.
Sir, which picture? Homogeneous or homogeneous? Which picture, sir? Homogeneous or homogeneous?
Yeah.
Which picture, sir? Air in which picture?
Air is a homogeneous. What is the homogeneous? What is the heterogeneous? You tell me.
Homogeneous completely dissolved, or heterogeneous not completely dissolved in water, sir.
Only second property, homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homogeneous, one thing is there, we can't see the microscope, we can not see the particle of the solute, not visible. By under microscope, you are taken the salt solution, put into the microscope, after that you see there, salt never will be visible there. Because it is the truth, because particle of the particle of the solute become very small. Its size has given 0.5 nanometer. Yeah, nanometer means very small unit is there. That's not visible by the air. Suppose the air is here. You can see the air. Why they can't see there? Because particles are very. Our eyes only can take the very small particles that cannot be visible in there. हम नहीं देख सकते उसको. That's why not visible in there. Due to this, what happens in the homogeneous mixture? What happens is there? We cannot see the particles. Second, when we pass the light is there, the light will passes. And after that, third point is there. This is also one question there. Difference between homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homogeneous What happened there? Solute we cannot separate by the filter paper. Suppose that sugar solution you are taken in there, and after that you take the filter paper. Filter paper is the, you know what is the filter paper? Filter paper, there is a very small hole is there. So what happens? All the solute, suppose the sand water you are separated there, then what you have got it there, sand will be separate in the filter paper. But what happens? Salt solution you are taking it there, salt will be passes from the filter paper. The can't separate it there. After that what happens? Not so the Tyndall effect. What is the Tyndall effect? Scattering of light. Suppose that you have taken the sugar solution is there and put one torch is here. Then what you have done here? All the light will passes from there. After that what happens? If for the long time solute will be not settle down. Suppose that what happens? Sand and water, muddy water, what happens there? Rainy season you will see all the pond are the muddy. But after the rainy season what happens? All the sand settle down is there. But you take the salt solution and keep in the house 1 month. Then what you are going to the salt will be never settle down. Sugar also. True solution. This is known as a true solution. So 5 point has given in your book. Size of the particle. First you will write the, if this type of question will come, size of the particle. First question there, size of the particle given in the book. Size of particle.
Which question we write, sir?
1. Second point you will write filter paper test.
Sir, which question is answer we will write, sir?
Homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Both, sir.
Differences.
Homogeneous, sir. This one?
This is difference between the homogeneous and heterogeneous. How you will test it there? How you will write it there? That point is given in there. Filter paper test. Second you will say the filter paper. Third is the Tyndall effect. Three point you will write the size of the particle.
Homogeneous, sir.
Homogeneous, yes. सब का दिया हुआ बुक में देखो पढ़ो बुक को पढ़ो. अरे साइज ऑफ द पार्टिकल नहीं पढ़ समझ में आएगा कैसे नहीं समझ में आएगा? नहीं साइज ऑफ द हम तीन तो पॉइंट बता दिए हल्का हल्का पॉइंट. व्हाट हैपेंस इन द filter paper? Filter paper test means homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous, what about homogeneous mixture passes from the filter paper.
Yes, sir.
Heterogeneous not passes from the filter paper. After that Tyndall effect show by the
Homogeneous mixture.
heterogeneous, but not so by the
Homogeneous.
homogeneous. Yes, light will easily passes, no scattering of the light. Scattering of light is known as the Tyndall effect. So homogeneous mixture what happen?
Write it more in some difference between.
The property of solution. Solution suspension and Correct. Now, what question has come that I discussed only today. Now, you know it there. What is the how is this is understand? Homogeneous, heterogeneous, how we like it there. Now comes saturated and unsaturated. What is the understand by the saturated? Saturated solution. Suppose that you see the saturated solution means you are mixing of the, you take a glass of water, 100 grams of water, mix of the salt is there. After mixing it there, one time will come, if you are more salt you are given there, it will not dissolve in the water. That becomes the saturated. That becomes the saturated. Means no more solute can be dissolved into the given solvent. It is known as the saturated solution. But in the unsaturated, more solute can be dissolved into the given solution. This is the answer. And now, suppose I want effect of the heating. Effect of the heating, what happens is there, when you are taken the salt solution is there, after that you mix the salt is there, after that what happens, heat is there. Now one time will become, no more sugar will be dissolved there. After that what happens, put into the fire. That thing you put in the water, then what is absorbed is there, more than the solute you can dissolve it there. Again, you are can given the some of the sugar, they will dissolve it there. But after that you keep it there. Then what happens, how much solute you are mixing more? When it becomes the cool, that can make one layer there. Now one example has given for this. Now you see when they making of the jalebi, have you seen? Yes, how they are now? I just given there how it becomes the sweet. Now how they are making it there by the besan they are making it there. After that what happens? One sugar solution keep it there. This is the how they are making it there. They are given more of the sugar in there. And after the heating it there. Yes, हम जाके हेड को सीधा बोल देंगे no sound should become that like say there we should never taken the why do we say we should never taken the hot sweet रसगुल्ला हमको कभी गर्म नहीं खाना चाहिए why do we say because because one thing is there ऐसा करेगा हम सिर्फ चैप्टर पढ़ा के चल जाएंगे what happened there, suppose that they are making it there, they have no idea, they are heating the water and given the sugar is there. Suppose that it becomes the more concentrated there, it becomes the hot, more, when you are taking it, it becomes the cool, they make one layer in your respective organ. Because our digestive system and respiratory system going here, it will block by the sugar. Because it becomes the, again, how much solute you are given there, just I said, you are heating, you are taking the 1 glass of the water, mix some of the sugar is there. After that one point will become, if you are given the sugar, it will not dissolve it there. That is become the saturated. Now you heat it there, you can mix more of the sugar is there. But when cool is there, how much sugar you mix it there, it again become the solid.
Sugar crystal.
Crystal of the crystallization of sugar will form it there. That's why hot sweet never should take it there. Because it may be. क्या? No. That is another thing. वो आयोडीन से बनता है. That is another thing. वो ये चीज नहीं है. If another cooling is there. Solubility. This question is solubility. 100 grams of solvent. How much solute? How much solute? Make a saturated solution. Make a saturated solution is known as solubility. Given mass, the given unit has given it there. how much solute can be make a saturated solution? I meant to say here is written that and the temperature of at given temperature at why did I have given temperature? Because temperature will be increased, solubility will be increased. That's why it should be fixed. It is written. One question has given it there. One problem has come from the book. Remember there. One thing is more given is that. Suppose it's given. What do you understand by this? I write one statement there. What do you understand by this? It meaning is that it 100 gram of water, 100 gram of water.
सर 21 ग्राम solubility of sugar नहीं है कॉपर सल्फेट है
जो भी है हम उसको समझाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं 100 ग्राम of water at 20 degree centigrade Twenty-one gram of sugar and a saturation. It means that 100 gram of water at 20 degree centigrade, 21 gram of sugar make a saturated solution. Because temperature address given is that temperature will be suppose that what happens if temperature will be right then solubility will be right. 21 gram it becomes 25 gram. If cooling is there then solubility will be decreased. It depends on the temperature. Always remember temperature will be increased, solubility will be increased.
Why sir?
Because after what happens after heating what happens there water will be when you will heat the water it start to evaporate. Evaporate you say that it start to evaporate no particle become a part.
What sir?
Particle suppose that hydrogen and oxygen present is there. Oxygen and hydrogen present in the water. One oxygen one hydrogen also here will be also present in the water. OH. They are attached together. They are close together. When you heat it there, it becomes some distance. Due to this, all the water molecules present there. There is a different water molecule present in the 100 gram of water. Million of the water molecules are present there. When you will heat it there, molecule become a part. That's why its size will increase and this sugar will dilute.
Volume also increase there.
Yeah.
Volume increase there.
Yes. Temperature. Second there.
सर
Yes.
डिग्री जो होता है
क्या टेम्परेचर जब हीट कर देंगे क्या होगा जम जाएगा क्या होगा सॉलिडिटी विल डिक्रीज इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट हैपन इज देयर we are increasing this one we are heat will be given in there that's why what happen when sweet they are making it there water will heat and given the sugar is there after that what happen they put the sweets in there left it there extra of the sugar whatever we are given it there they stick on the sweets that's why it become the sweet या जलेबी जो देते हो पानी में छोड़ दिया तो छोड़ दिया फिर ठंडा ठंडा हो क्या होगा हाउ मच शुगर यू आर गिवन इन देयर दे मेक वन लेयर इन द जलेबी दैट विल बिकम द स्वीट दिस विल गिवन नाउ फिजिकल चेंज केमिकल चेंज coming there. What is the physical? Physical and chemical changes. What is the physical change? What is the chemical change?
Physical change is
3 point remember there. Physical change is a temporary change. Temporary change.
permanent change. New substance is formed in chemical change.
New substance is formed.
No new substance formed.
No new. Yeah, right. No new substance is formed. Physical changes.
Reversible change.
Reversible. No reversible. Yeah. Reversible.
Irreversible, sir. Chemical change. Physical
Irreversible.
No, sir. Physical reversible.
This is
Physical reversible change. Reversible change. Irreversible.
right.
Yes, sir.
Now you think it there. I just given there. Suppose that cutting of the flower. Suppose that cutting of the tearing of the paper. Suppose that burning of the paper.
Chemical change.
Why is the chemical change?
Because
After burning, after when you are burning there, ash will be left in there. That ash we cannot change again in the paper. Not reversible. That's why a new substance is formed. Its property entirely different from the paper. That's why it's the chemical. Physical tearing of the paper is the physical change. Why? Property has not changed. Again we can see there. Again we can write it there. In the paper, same paper we can write it there. Property has not lost. But when you burn it there, then it becomes the digestion of the food.
chemical change.
Why it is a chemical change?
Because after digestion food cannot be recovered.
Yes, by the enzyme and digest the food, again that food you eat, you are taken the bread is there. After that digestion, if you want this wait for again make the bread, not possible is there.
Yes.
A new substance is formed. Yeah, physical change, chemical changes will come. Some of the changes has given. If we write it there, these are physical or chemical changes.
कितना मार्क्स करेगा सर
3 marks. कितना?
Sir, 5 marks.
Now separation of the mixture. How you will separate it there one by one? This process I just discussed it there. सब इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं पढ़ा है. I can't give you action not open this test. No, that's the question I can't tell you there. Suppose that separation of the mixture. First, one easy process I teach you. Suppose that some of the paddy are mixed in the rice. How will separate it there? Some paddy are mixed in the rice. Hand picking. Some of the rice mixed in the paddy, hand picking, all that we can separate it, right? Yeah? Now,
Hand picking, sir.
sulfur and sand. Now, I given it there. Sulfur and sand. Sulfur and sand.
Sulfur plus.
How you separate there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, CS2 we can use it there. CS2 what again? Soluble into the sulfur, but not into the sand. And we can separate there. Yeah. Now, you know what is the sublimized substance?
What, sir?
Sublimized substance. No, sublimized substance means the substance which directly change solid to gas. That is sublimized substance. So ammonium to iodine. Kapoor, yes.
Napkin.
Naphthalene ball. Here question is given in here. Naphthalene ball we keep in the straw. When you naphthalene ball you keep into the straw, then what happens? There is no trace in the straw. But naphthalene ball will disappear. But there is no trace on the straw. Why? I mean to say there, if anything you are keeping in your cloth disappear there, they given one spot in your cloth.
Yes, sir.
But what happens? What we see naphthalene ball we keep into the cloth. After that, what we observe is there, naphthalene ball will disappear. But no trace has come into the cloth. Why? No spot in the cloth. Why?
Like processing paper.
Because it is the sublimized substance that will change solid to gas. That means there is no trace in there. If it becomes the liquid, there should be one trace on the cloth.
लिक्विड नहीं होता है सर
हाँ?
लिक्विड नहीं होता है
नहीं, directly change solid to gas.
इसको गरम कर देंगे तब सर
गैस
गैस में निकल जाएगा. Not have come to the liquid, not come to the liquid. Any of the solid when heated there, liquid has come.
Yes, sir.
A liquid to gas will be coming there. Suppose the wax क्या होता है? wax को हम जलाते हैं. This is the solid. It melted there, and after that vaporize, this vapor passes from the thread. One thing remember that candle thread is not burning. Gas is burning there. That's why it's given the flame. We know it there. Flame only given by the gas. That's why what happens when you will heat it there, all the gas will passes from the thread. That's why it's given the flame. That's why what happens? Solid change the liquid, then gas. But this substance what happens? Some of the ammonium chloride is there. You can say the iodine. It is a sublimized substance. So easily will be separated by the heating. Suppose that iodine are mixed into the sulfur, iodine mixed in the sulfur, we can separate by the heating. When heat is there, iodine will be directly go. But sulfur what happens? Melt at the 119 degrees centigrade will melt and become the white, black in color, reddish black. Sulfur will be not evaporate. Sulfur will be liquid, change the liquid form. Liquid form color will be changed. But all the iodine will be evaporated there. We can separate sublimized substance, only heat when given it there, change the gas. And thus this gas we can collect it there. हम subtract कर सकते हैं. We are keeping one of the funnel is there. All iodine will evaporate. Again will come in there. Again it become the solid. Gas to solid. That is a sublimized substance. Easily we can separate. Separation आएगा जैसे iron and sulfur. How you will separate the? One question has maybe asked you there. Iron plus sulfur are mixed together. How you will separate iron and sulfur? First process there by the magnet process. Magnet what happens? All iron will be attracted by the magnet, but sulfur will be not attracted by the magnet. This is the one process. A second process, CH2 solution. When we are given the CH2, sulfur are soluble in the CH2 solution solvent, but iron will be not. After that declination process. Declination process means we pour out all the water, CH2 will be evaporated. CH2 will be evaporated easily.
Sir, which process? Which process?
CH2 process.
Which process? By the magnet.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, magnet or by the given the CH2.
CH2.
CH2 क्या है?
Which name is
Carbon disulfide.
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सल्फाइड कार्बन सल्फाइड
CH2.
Now your attendance.
जरा गन्ना ले लीजिए बाद में का
Your roll number? 64. 64, no.